All right, so some stocks that could start to move soon are psychedelics. There's a lot of attention being put on psychedelic medicine right now. They're getting ready to start putting them into Western medicine and treating people with things like depression and cancer and a lot of mental health disorders. I believe they will be treating with psychedelics. So these are some psychedelic companies that you want to look at because when they start getting FDA approved, that's when they're going to start to move. Medical companies, stocks, they move when their approvals, after their trials are over and they get approval, that's when they start to skyrocket. Usually, otherwise, they're pretty steady. So the first one is ATAI, Atibeckley. They're a portfolio of psychedelic drugs. So they're like an ETF that holds a bunch of different stocks. They invest in other psychedelic companies as well, and they partner with big pharma on treatments for depression that are ketamine based. The next one is Compass Pathways, and the ticker is CMPS. And they have a synthetic psilocybin for mental health treatment. They focus heavily on treatment-resistant depression, and they are in their late stage of their testing. So they're in phase 3 of the trials. So they are very close to getting approval. So they would be the first ones to start moving, but they all kind of move together. When things start getting approved, the whole sector starts to move a little bit. The next one is called Helus Pharma, and their ticker is HELP, HELP. So their drug improves psychedelic compounds, so it modifies them to work better and last longer. They target depression and anxiety disorders, and they are developing multiple drugs based on psilocybin and DMT. So they are the ones that are like upgrading psychedelics into pharmaceutical grade medicines. The next one is called Definium Therapeutics. Their ticker is DFTX. And they have LSD-based therapies for anxiety and depression. They're running multiple phase 3 trials. So they have more than one trial that's on the verge of being finished and getting approved by the FDA.